Usumbur Menteri Rangba Kejala Ma Sniawbhalang Dhar ulano synniang shipholak tengka shaka Balang Presbyterian Umplu na kabenta-bente ya ke iingmane ke thymmai. Ma Sniawbhalang Dhar ha ke jingkran ulaong watla kalong ke balang ke badanglung badang bun ki jing jing duna Henry habayatli ki para bangen lakban pendep ya kinu kikam. Syu Ma Dhar ulaong watla ngia pher hakasan himasima Henry kabas ngau tenat kalong ba hakikam imlang salang lani kikam balang ngidon kejuk kejing tumu kata banyetrilang. Ma Dhar upen pauru bagi jing kersian jing arab syikipat ba bat ke imlang salang kedai kejing persyang jong u ban penkemen ya ublei ubala tek se kejing kerhu ha u. Temen basan di lamare upen pau kejing sngongu ya usumbut Menteri Rangba bat ukermen scam ba lingba kejing kersian pisa Ma Dhar kan pensting ya kejingkit bakya jong ke balang.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.